Jump. Wiggle. Turn. Ta-da! Now hop. Hop, hop. Oh, that was 2 hops. Can you hop twice? 1. Do 2 little hops. Small.
That's not 3.
Really? That's not 3? Can you...
Not 3.
Can you wiggle? Well. And hop. Now dance like a chicken. And kiss the kitty. She's sweet. You love the kitty. She's your baby. Hi, baby kitty. Oops. Oh, she has other things in mind. Hop. Very good. And kiss. Alright. You're doing your dance? Bye, Igma.